If we want to activate eSIM on a Motorola Edge 70, what you need to do is we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna choose network and internet. And then over here, we should be able to find SIMs and mobile network. Now in here, we can tap on the download new SIM. And then we have two options. You can either set up an eSIM over here, or you can transfer a SIM from another device. In my case, I'm gonna choose to set up an eSIM. And then you should be able to open the rear camera where we can scan the QR code that you should have received from your carrier or service provider. In case you need to enter the activation code manually, then of course we can use this text over here in order to do so. And if you have the QR code saved on your phone, then you can choose to scan from photo instead. So let me quickly scan the QR code. After that, just choose to set up. There we go. And just follow the rest of the instructions that you will find on the screen. And there we go. Now we can go to settings in order to turn on our eSIM quite easily. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.